Well, just made it to the workshop. I'll show you here what our support pig is. 21 F-150 Velocity Blue. Yes, it is a 2.7. so much life in them. Still got a whole bunch of life in these things. I'll take these out, get the new ones in, and just reverse the process, do the other side, and I'll show you guys the new stuff once it's in. Voila! Old and busted? Actually, no, it's in perfect condition. New hotness. The one they told you to worry about. You gotta cut these bad boys off and see which orientation we're going with, which I'm assuming reservoir out. Yep. Sit right there. I have to lower the rear end, take off the other side, so that the rear end will settle a little bit lower, so we can get to it, because we are going up about 3 inches. So let's go do that. We'll set this up and come back. Right there, go. Like. Power went out, yeah? Oh my god, they're soft. No wonder we had that Cadillac feel. Huh? Look at that. That takes no effort. Where put the other one? Let's try that one. Oh, look at that. This one doesn't even rebound all the way. This one's all the way full stroke. So we have one by shock. Look at that. Look at that. Long story short, install the bottom first, compress the top, get it in. You do it the other way, good luck. We tried. So you definitely gotta put in the bottom, push down on the reservoir, and just slip it in. You do have to separate these guys. We learned that the hard way. The spacing in here is a lot thinner than the actual shock itself. So we have to just pry it open, put it in, and you just bolt it up and you're good to go. But rear's done, gotta move to the front. That's surprising. Running to, we may have brakes, to one bolt on the bottom of our shock tower. They sent us the wrong shit. But hey. Oh, hi. You're still here. It's only 12:30. We're gonna put this wheel on and hope we can get it on the driveway for now. It's one of those days. Great thing is, we work on the vet tomorrow. Later today. Our Our math isn't mathing though. These are definitely heavier. Definitely heavier. Now, the fronts, we got our upper control arms. We got good clearance. Bolts up fine there. And then when you get down here, I don't know if you guys were able to see it last night, but that one lines up great. This one is about 3/4 inch off the actual hole it needs to go into. So that's the issue we're running into. We are gonna need to cut this bad boy out. You unbolt it, the bolts will not come out. You have to cut them, then take them the rest out, and then it just slides out. And then we got to take out this front one. Yes, the reservoir is zip tied until we figure out our shock situation and figure out where we want to mount the reservoir. But once we take these two guys out, we'll have all the clearance. We already tried it full lock both ways, and man, we don't hit anything but those bars. So it's looking pretty good. We're sitting nice and low on 35s and looks clean. We'll get back to you when we figure out what we're gonna do about these new shocks. All right, now that the new hardware is here, we got one pressed in. And when I say pressed in, you know, we don't have a fancy press, but you know, we pressed it in. We just gotta get the lock ring on that one and then do the second one, and hopefully, you know, everything's right, we can put it in. Let's do it. Ooh, finally. We've been having a massive delay on this. Guess what? UPS, baby. We're gonna get the support pig finally back on the road. Hopefully they send me the right stuff and we get her dialed. Can't wait. Let's do it. Let's see if it's all right. Finally. I don't think I've told you guys the issues we've been going through, but basically this shaft is what holds the bottom of the strut on the support pig over here. And the old ones were 5 inches and we needed 4 1/4. These bearings are pressed in and they did not want to come out of the old ones. So I asked them to send them to me with the right bolt already pressed in. So looks like we're back in business. Let's see how it goes. I mean, just look at it.